Hello students, welcome to my class. So students, we have completed our 11th chapter till exercise 11.3. And what we learnt in that exercise? We learnt how can we find out the lateral surface area or the total surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now in 11.4, we are learning two terms, volume and its capacity, right? So in this exercise we are going to study the questions based on these two terms. So before solving those questions we should learn what are these two terms, means what is called a volume and what is called a capacity. So volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. Means, suppose I am taking an example of a coffee mug. So how much space is there inside that coffee mug? That is its volume. And what is its capacity? Capacity refers to the quantity that container holds. Means if I'll take the example of same coffee mug, then what is the capacity? Capacity means how much coffee that mug contains is called its capacity, right? Now we should know how can we convert the volume into capacity or the capacity into volume. For that we should learn few conversions. What are they? 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 milliliter. Means if the capacity of the container is 1 centimeter cube, its volume will be if the volume is 1 centimeter cube, its capacity will be 1 milliliter. And if the capacity is 1 liter, then its volume will be 1000 centimeter cube. And if the volume is 1 meter cube, its capacity will be 1 kiloliter. And you know that 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liter. That means 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. So before solving the questions, children, you should learn all these conversions, because all these conversions are very important in the coming questions, right? Children, now we are solving question number 4. What is question number 4? A cuboid is of 60 centimeter by 54 centimeter by 30 centimeters. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? What is our question? Try to understand. There is a cuboid. Okay, and the dimensions of cuboid are 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. These are the dimension of a given cuboid. The question says that there are small cubes with side 6 centimeter. Those small cubes are to be placed in the cuboid. Then we have to find out how many such small cubes can be placed. Means here we are placing small cubes into a cuboid. Into a cuboid means inside a cuboid. That means this question is related to the volume. So first of all, in which container we have to place? We have to place into the cuboid. That means we will find out the volume of cuboid. And you know that formula of a volume of a cuboid is L into B into H, right? After that, what we have to place into this cuboid? We have to place small cubes whose side is 6 centimeter. So after that we will find out the volume of each small cube. And we know that the formula of volume of a cube is side cube. So through that formula we will find out the volume of small cubes. And after that we have to find out how many small cubes can be placed inside that cuboid. For that we will divide the volume of cuboid by the volume of each small cube. Okay, so let's see the process. So as the length, breadth and height of the cuboids are given and they are 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So by the formula of volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. So by substituting the values of length, breadth, height and multiplying them, we are getting 97,200 centimeter cube. And here we know that the side of each small cube is 6 centimeter. So when we will find out the volume of each small cube, we will place 6 in the place of side. That means 6 cube, and 6 cube means 216. So this will be 216 centimeter cube. After that, we have to find out how many small cubes can be placed. For that, we will divide 97,200 by 216. We will get 450 cubes. Means in this question, we found that 450 cubes can be placed in the given cuboid. After that, we are doing question number 5. Let's see what is this question. Children, in this question, find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter given. Means there is a cylinder. Okay. In this question, the volume of the cylinder is given. Volume of the cylinder is given, that is 140 centimeter cube. And one more value is given, that is diameter of the base. Do you know what is the shape of the diameter of the cylinder? Yes, that is circle, right? So circular shape is there. So what is given over here? Here diameter of that base is given, that is 140 centimeter. But children, you observe one thing over here, that is the volume of the cylinder is in meter cube, right? And diameter is given in centimeter. That means before the calculation, we need to convert the centimeter into meters, right? So, volume of cylinder 1.54 meter cubes, diameter of its base 140 centimeter, and when we'll find out its radius, we'll divide this diameter by 2, we'll get 70 centimeter. Okay, and you know that when centimeter is converted into meter, we'll divide it by 100. So when we are dividing 70 centimeter by 100, we will get 0.7 meters. And in this question, we have to find out the height of the cylinder, right? So what formula we will use here? Yes, we will use volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Children, it is very important to learn the formulae. Why? Because if you will write the wrong formula, everything will go wrong then. Okay, so please learn all the formulas. So here pi r square h is the volume of cylinder, and the value of volume of cylinder is 1.54, right? And pi's value is 22 by 7. R square means the radius will be multiplied by the radius itself two times, right? So 0.7 into 0.7 into h, because the value of h we have to find. So after further calculations, we are getting that the multiplication or the product of 22, 0.1 and 0.7 is 1.54. So 1.54 is there on right hand side also, right? And 1.54 we are getting on left hand side also. So when we are dividing a number by the number itself, we will get 1 meters, right children? So here we got the height of cylinder as 1 meter. I hope you have learnt how to solve these questions. Thank you so much.